I looked at every one of these, even paused on most of them, and still passed. When I saw that this one was double-sided, it made me pause. I just didn't take time to look it up. I picked this up, but the graphic felt off, almost too cartoonish, so I put it back. I looked at it, but made the assumption that it wasn't anything special. Knew they were Levi's, but didn't look close enough to catch the white tab. This Coors Banquet sweatshirt caught my eye. I just didn't follow through and look up what it was selling for on eBay. These TruWear joggers felt amazing, definitely high quality. I just didn't take the time to look them up. No visible label, no logo, but the quality was there. I should have checked the buttons and looked for other details to identify these. This one stood out. I just didn't trust it enough to check it. This Legends Enzo shirt, I paused on it and still didn't look it up. Every single one of these items in this video, I paused on and gave them a second look, and I left over $500 behind. If you were thrifting and saw any of these items, would you have picked them up? Did you know a lot of the best items don't stand out at first glance? It's not always about the brand you recognize, it's about what you take the time to check. Older tags, discontinued logos, and where something was made, those small details can completely change the value. If something makes you pause, that's your signal. Check the tag, look at the buttons, the zippers, the stitching. Even if it doesn't look like much, those are often the pieces that sell. This week's BOLO deals with team name changes, defunct teams, and the right players. This one threw me off. The graphic didn't look right, so I passed. A couple weeks later, it was still there. I checked it, picked it up because it was valuable. Teams that no longer exist or old logos, these sell well, and certain players alone can make a jersey worth grabbing. Names like Michael Jordan, Deion Sanders, Bo Jackson, Wayne Gretzky, plus many, many more. These are valuable.